Welcome to another interesting and amazing video. And if you skip this video, I think you will regret. Often grab by the neck in this way during a fight. And if you want to defend yourself by this lock, in street fight you can face this situation. This. Then don't skip this video without missing any part, because if you miss the part, then you can't learn this technique. So let's start. Watch very carefully. If anyone grapple like this way and he pull you down, then when he pull you down, go on his fourth side, push your body on his fourth side, then his balance little bit out, then bring your hand from the downside of his leg and keep your other hand on his neck side, on his face side. You can see when he push, his balance going out. Now more push him down, then he will immediately leave you. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side, from the side angle, so you can understand better. Yes, when you grab, you step forward and use your force. Step number 2, bring your hand from down and then push. Yes, push like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique fast and real, how it works or not. Yes. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then please subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.